Go for it if you're gonna do it. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so cold. Okay. You gonna do it?
Very cold.
It's very cold. Why don't you start down on the step first? What are you gonna do? You gonna walk around? Are you gonna get in or what? Still deciding? Still deciding, huh? It is cold right there. How was it? Is it cold? Was it cold? You gonna do it again? Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. It's like knocking the air out of him every time. You okay? Do you need a towel? You gonna do it again? Brave, brave child. Oh well, at least it's warm enough to sun, right?